Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever you're watching this video, we have a beautiful home for you. 2218 Juniper Canyon, located in the zip code 78245. Laurel Mountain Ranch, San Antonio is the name of the community. And we have a brand new community. It has a dog park, it has trails, it has a pool, has a lot of amenities here, guys. This house was built in 2014. It's less than 15 minutes away from Lackland Air Force Base, less than 10 minutes away from SeaWorld theme park, guys. And this house is a 3 beds, 2 bath. You guys can see here from the side. Again, built in 2014. Everything in the house is still original. Been sitting in the market for about 60 days, guys. So the price on this house is negotiable. They're currently asking for $282,500. But again, it's been sitting on the market for some time, guys, so the price can definitely be worked on next time to make it better and improved. We have a beautiful tree in the front, giving us a lot of shade. We have the brick here in the front of the house with the nice little bushes here covering our porch. Great for morning coffee. Afternoon, sun seems to be set on this side, so it might not be as good for afternoon coffee, but if that's your cup of tea, your cup of coffee, let's do it. Let's go ahead and get in here, guys. Again, original 2014 Castle Rock. On the left we have original carpet and our dining area here, our formal dining area here with these two pillars here inside the wall, making it enclosed that we can separate it from the living room. You walk this way, we have our living room, guys. It's an odd choice of color for the paint, but long living room, open floor plan, gives us into our backyard, into our kitchen, as we can see here. We walked into here from, all right, so on the right, we have our 3 rooms, right? We have our garage, our 2-car garage here. Nice 2-car garage with a door opener. And then we have our laundry room here, right, attached to the garage, so we come into there. And then once you get in, again, this is our beautiful house, open floor plan. On the right-hand side, we'll find one of the rooms, carpeted, nice. There's no ceiling fan in this one, guys, but again, the house is brand new, so everything is still fresh in the house. Vans can be added. The house has been wired for entertainment, right? And there's another one over there, guys, entertainment. This is a full bath that is shared by the guest and with the other 2 rooms here, guys. Standard 2-bath, shower. And now we walk into another room here. Again, no ceiling fan on this one. Each room has a window and a closet. This window overlooks into the neighbor's yard. Let's see what the neighbors are doing. Hey, neighbor. Doghouse. They have a jacuzzi. All right, that's pretty clean. I guess this is our second room with a closet. And we're gonna go ahead and take you guys into the beautiful kitchen. 42-inch cabinets, cherry, natural red, right? We have a beautiful granite top here. The house does include the appliance here, which would be the dishwasher, the stove, the microwave, and the stainless steel refrigerator, guys. Beautiful kitchen, beautiful backsplash here. And we have linoleum flooring here, other than the carpet. We get into here, now we have our closet for storage here in the house, for the kitchen equipment. And then here we have our coat closet for our guests, because that's our front door. Again, open floor plan, guys. We walk into the master bedroom. Here we have 2 windows overlooking the back, the neighbor. And then here, once we get in, we have our door and the master closet, walk-in closet. Let me rephrase that. Good size closet. And we'll walk into the master tub, guys. What's up? What's up? It's me. All right, so on this end, we have a soaking tub. Great lighting, great view. And on this end, we have a stand-up shower that together gives us this beautiful restroom, guys. Look at that. What do you guys think? All right, let's go ahead and go on out to the outside, guys. The backyard on this one's a little bit off. It's a little bit different, but sliding doors. And we do not have a covered patio here or a concrete porch on the outside. We just have a like 5x5, 5x4 slab. All right, and then we go up here. I'll be quiet. All right, that's how the property sounds. But as you guys see, the property here has a bigger backyard on this side and then a small angle on this side of the backyard. So the backyard, it's a different shape. Good size for kids to run around, good size for dogs, play set. But it's a weird layout. Okay, I'll try to give you this look here. That way you guys get a better idea of what the yard looks like. But the back of the home is where we're at right now. Again, everything original, built in 2014. Castle Rock built some beautiful homes, and this neighborhood has been growing up in value for the past 10 years, guys. Why do I know? Because I live in the area. All right, guys, you guys know how to do it. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if there's any house that you want me to tour. Thank you.